Hi, this is Nick from the Carpet Guys. I'm here with Randy today. Our installer just finished installing Colony Iron in his family room. And Randy, how'd you hear about the Carpet Guys?
I actually looked it up online, just did a Google search of carpet places, and this was the first one that popped up, actually.
Okay, and how was your experience with Chad, the design consultant?
Chad was great. He came in on Saturday, showed me a couple different, I told him I was interested in grays, showed me a bunch of different grays at the different price points, and yeah, I was really happy with the one that I picked, yeah.
Yeah, definitely, and this is the final product right here, our Colony Color Iron. Looks beautiful, matches everything with the paint. And as far as the installation, how they installed it today?
Oh, great. Jose did a great job, especially with the steps over there. It was kind of loose, and so I think he went above and beyond and helped me tighten that down. And fast service, and yeah, have no complaints at all. Looks wonderful.
Okay, would you recommend us to your friends and family?
Absolutely.
All right, well, Randy, thank you very much. You have yourself a great day. Enjoy your floor covering, sir.
All right, thanks, man.
Bye-bye.